Today I'll be unboxing an HP 14 Chromebook. It's the one that uses a full HD IPS screen. I ordered this used off of what's it called? VIPOUTLET on eBay. It only cost me $110 after coupon. So just sealed over here. This might even be just refurbished. As you can see over here, here's the model number. It came in a brown box, brown refurbished box. It was shipped this way. I think from Arkansas, that's where they're located. So I used a 15% off coupon on eBay. This is usually about $130. If you buy it new, I think it retails at $200. So I had to tear this up a little bit just to open it. Comes packaged very well. This is supposed to be in refurbished grade A condition. You can see after opening it, I can't tell that there's any usage on this. It does look near perfect. There's no signs of usage. So saved basically half off purchasing this. Is it refurbished? Let me check. Celeron refurbished. It's in really good condition. And inside, I think it comes with a 30-day warranty or 90-day warranty, which is really nice. It's just telling me about restoration discs. I'm sure on the side is the adapter. So again, new, this is really $200, and I purchased this. Usually this refurbished one, so refurbished by VIPOUTLET, is for $130, but I used a 15% eBay coupon to get it down to $110. And I press power, but so far I think it needs to be charged. I recently purchased something off of eBay. If you purchase off of eBay, if you're willing to wait, sometimes they have these 15% or 10% or 20% off coupons. I was able to get this HP Chromebook for 15% off. And so I wasn't planning to get this Chromebook unless I could use the coupon code, so just be patient and look on Slick Deals or DLC or Spoofy. And hopefully a coupon code appears so you can get a deal purchasing on eBay.